Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S6 Lite, and today I'll show you how to put this device into recovery mode. So, to get started, you want to power it off. There we go. And once it's shutting off, or once it's actually fully shut off, you want to hold power key and volume up, so both keys are right here. There we go, and we are now in the recovery mode. So, in here, you'll use volume keys to navigate, as you can see, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. And you can do several different things. So you can reboot your device, which will take you back to Android. You can boot to bootloader, apply updates, wipe the device or cache partition, mount system, view recovery logs, run tests, power off the device, and repair app. So like I said, whatever you choose, you then confirm it with power key. And because I selected reboot system now, it's just gonna go back to Android now. And there we go, as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.